got a new package today. The postman came and we have got a MaxxAir Fan, which is very cool. Here we go. Oh, that's the remote. Oh, she's a big boy. Yeah. Very cool.
Marty's just made a template for the MaxxAir Fan to go on the roof because it didn't come with one. So we're just testing it out to see if it fits. So it looks pretty good. Just going to take off one more row of the roof rack.
Well, we can come down a little bit. Like we can come right down to here. I think.
Probably wouldn't go that close.
Eh? Yeah, we'll come down as far as we can, I think. Oh, well, within 30 mil because of the frame.
There you have it, 4 holes. Ready to go. So Marty's just gone up to the roof and marked out where he needs to cut with the jigsaw. Meanwhile, we've put some plastic down just to catch any metal that's going to come down, so it doesn't leave any metal fragments anywhere inside the van. Put the hole in the roof. Yay! We now have sky. When Marty cut the hole out of the roof, afterwards he'd also filed the edges and then he put some primer on around where all the bare metal was, and then he's put some silicone on the wood, and then he's put the frame up in the roof, and now he has clamped it all ready to go dry. So we'll give it a couple of hours and then we'll come back and put the MaxxAir Fan in. Just waiting for Marty to come back from Bunnings, and our little man Osborne is giving the floor stamp of approval. Marty has finished doing the fan on top of the roof. I just thought I'd give you a look at it. It's looking pretty slick. What do you think about that? Let us know. Put the cover on the roof inside the van today. It's all been done. Looks awesome. I'll just show you the end product. There we go. Look at that. Good job, Marty. Well done. And thank you for watching.